Hey guys, today I'm going to provide you with all the important short forms that are given in NCERT of class 11th and class 12th biology. Now these short forms are very important. NCERT के इन short forms से नीट एग्जाम में कई बार डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो आपसे पूछ लेंगे व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आईवीएफ और ऑप्शंस में फुल फॉर्म दे देंगे, या कई बार इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे जाते हैं. मतलब वो आपसे पूछ लेंगे विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी क्योर्ड और कैन बी ट्रीटेड विद हेल्प ऑफ आईवीएफ टेक्निक, और ऑप्शंस में आपको दे देंगे इनफर्टिलिटी, sterilization, contraception, menstrual problems. So you first need to know what does IVF stand for to answer such type of question. So आज के इस पूरे वीडियो में आपको मैं बताऊंगा कि कौन कौन से वो एनसीईआरटी के शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स है जो आपको पता होने चाहिए. ऑलमोस्ट सारे एनसीईआरटी के शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स मैंने यहाँ पे कवर कर लिए, और अगर आपको लगे कि ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने एक लिंक छोड़ दिया ऑफ द पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट. सो ये पूरा का पूरा वीडियो आपको पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में मिल जाएगा. आप वो डाउनलोड कर लीजिए और उसे जितनी बार हो सके उतनी बार रिवाइज कीजिए. ये पूरा वीडियो देखने के बाद शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स में तो एटलीस्ट नीट एग्जाम में आप लोग कोई भी गलती नहीं करेंगे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So first I'll tell you the short forms and then what it stands for, उसके बाद आपको मैं बताऊंगा. So ICBN, it stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. ICZN, it stands for International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute. CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, which is located in Lucknow. IBG, Indian Botanical Garden. PSTD, Potato Spindle Tuber Disease. PPLO stands for Pleuropneumonia-like organism. S within two square brackets, it stands for concentration of substrate. और ये सिर्फ बायोलॉजी में नहीं, केमिस्ट्री में भी ऐसे ही कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. RRC, it represents for respiratory rhythm center, which is located in medulla. GFR stands for glomerular filtration rate. JGA stands for juxtaglomerular apparatus. ANF, atrial natriuretic factor. GnRH, gonadotrophin releasing hormone. GH stands for growth hormone. PRL stands for prolactin. TSH stands for thyroid stimulating hormone. ACTH stands for adrenocorticotropic hormone. MSH stands for melanocyte stimulating hormone. ADH stands for vasopressin या antidiuretic hormone. T3 stands for triiodothyronine. T4 stands for tetraiodothyronine. TCT stands for thyrocalcitonin. TH stands for parathyroid hormone. CCK stands for cholecystokinin. GIP stands for gastric inhibitory peptide. तो ये सारे के सारे आपके हार्मोन्स के शॉर्ट फॉर्म है जो आपका क्लास 11 का एनसीईआरटी लास्ट चैप्टर है 22 केमिकल कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन, उसमें आपको ये सारे शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स मिल जाएंगे. LHC stands for light harvesting complex. PGA, phosphoglyceric acid. OAA, oxaloacetic acid. Rubisco stands for ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. NAD stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. CoA stands for coenzyme A. TCA stands for tricarboxylic acid. TCA stands for tricarboxylic acid, or TCA cycle stands for tricarboxylic acid cycle, also called as citric acid cycle. ETC stands for electron transport chain. RQ stands for respiratory quotient. PGR stands for plant growth regulators. NAA stands for naphthalene acetic acid. 2,4-D stands for 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. GA3 stands for gibberellic acid. PMC stands for pollen mother cell, microspore mother cell. MMC stands for megaspore mother cell. PEN stands for primary endosperm nucleus. HCG stands for human chorionic gonadotrophin. HPL stands for human placental lactogen. RCH stands for reproductive and child health care. STD is sexually transmitted diseases. VD is venereal diseases. Sexually transmitted diseases को ही हम venereal diseases भी बोलते हैं. और RTI, reproductive tract infections. WHO stands for World Health Organization. MMR stands for maternal mortality rate. IMR stands for infant mortality rate. IUDs are intrauterine devices. There are different types of IUDs. For example, the copper devices like the copper T. Then there are hormone releasing IUDs. Then there are mechanical IUDs like Lipiss loop. OCPs, oral contraceptive pills or hormonal pills. MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. ART is assisted reproductive technologies. ZIF is zygote intrafallopian transfer. GIF T is gamete intrafallopian transfer. So ये सारे शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स आपको रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ वाले चैप्टर, क्लास 12 के रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ वाले चैप्टर में मिल जाएंगे. ICSI, ICSI stands for intracytoplasmic sperm injection. IVF stands for in vitro fertilization, जिसके बारे में मैं इंट्रोडक्शन में बात कर रहा था. ET is embryo transfer. ये तीन शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी आपके रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ वाले चैप्टर से ही है. SCA stands for sickle cell anemia. PKU stands for phenyl ketone urea. NHC, non-histone chromosomal proteins. snRNA is small nuclear RNA. hnRNA is heterogeneous nuclear RNA. sRNA is soluble RNA. UTR, untranslated regions. HGP stands for Human Genome Project. ELSI stands for ethical, legal and social issues. BAC, BAC stands for bacterial artificial chromosome. YAC, YAC stands for yeast artificial chromosome. ESTs stands for expressed sequence tags. SNP stands for single nucleotide polymorphism. You'll find all these in the genetics chapter. VNTR stands for variable number of tandem repeats. SCRR stands for School of Cytogenetic and Radiation Research. IARI stands for Indian Agricultural Research Institute. CMI stands for Cell Mediated Immunity. MALT stands for Mucosal Associated Lymphoid Tissue. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. It's a syndrome, not a symptom. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. ELISA stands for Enzyme Linked Immunosorbent Assay. NACO, National AIDS Control Organization. NGOs, non-governmental organization. CONC, Cellular Oncogenes. CT stands for Computed Tomography. MRI stands for Magnetic Resonance Imaging. LSD stands for Lysergic Acid Diethyl Amide. ये सारे शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स आपको मिल जाएंगे ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीजेस वाले चैप्टर में. MOET stands for Multiple Ovulation Embryo Transfer Technology, MOET. SCP stands for Single Cell Protein. LAB stands for Lactic Acid Bacteria. STP stands for Sewage Treatment Plants. BOD, Biochemical Oxygen Demand. DO is Dissolved Oxygen. KVIC, which is an important short form, is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. BT stands for Bacillus thuringiensis. NPV stands for Nucleopolyhedrovirus. IPM stands for Integrated Pest Management. ECO R1 stands for Escherichia coli RY13. ORI stands for Origin of Replication. PBR 322 is a plasmid. TI plasmid stands for Tumor Inducing Plasmid. TAC stands for Thermus aquaticus. PCR stands for Polymerase Chain Reaction. GMO stands for Genetically Modified Organisms. RNAi stands for RNA interference. ADA stands for adenosine deaminase, and ADA deficiency results in a disease condition known as SCID, which stands for severe combined immunodeficiency. GEAC stands for Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. NCEPC stands for National Committee on Environmental Planning and Coordination. MOEF stands for Ministry of Environment and Forest. INSA stands for Indian National Science Academy. NPP stands for Net Primary Productivity. GPP stands for Gross Primary Productivity. GNP is Gross National Product. GDP is Gross Domestic Product. GFC is Grazing Food Chain. DFC is Detritus Food Chain. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. So those were all the important short forms that are must know for you for cracking the coming NEET exam. However, that is not all. NCERT आप book पढ़ेंगे तो आपको और भी short forms मिलेंगे, but you should know at least these क्योंकि इनसे questions आने के chances बहुत ज्यादा है. So read them all. एक और बार वीडियो देखिए, इन सबको याद कीजिए. PDF का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. Just download that PDF and revise these short forms again and again. Short forms के point से कहीं पे भी आप लोग अब गलती नहीं कर सकते. So that would be all for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And अगर आप लोग वहाँ पे नए हैं और ऐसे और useful videos आपको चाहिए, then do go and subscribe this channel. You'll find a lot of useful stuff out here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.